Let's quickly talk about this AI exchange real quick that is called the NOVAEX AI. So talking about what the platform is all about, NOVAEX AI provides quantitative traders and institutional investors with a high performance, highly reliable and highly secure spot and perpetual contract quantitative trading system. That is what the project is all about. So if you are using your PC, this is what you should expect the interface to look like. And if you are using a mobile device, this is how your interface is going to look like. To register, it's so simple. First of all, you need to install, if you're using a PC, you need to install the application by just simply tapping on this launch application, which is right here. If you're using a mobile device, you just have to tap on any of those options right here to install your app. Better still, to use the Android version to install the app on your mobile device. Tap on this roadmap right here to track their progress, their growth so far ever since they launched this platform, which you can see right here that they have different phases, up to 6 phases. As you can see right here, the phase 1 period was launched on October 2025 and they were able to accomplish all these which are listed here, which you can see right here. So their phase 2 period was launched on February 2026, which they were able to accomplish all this, which you can see right here. So phase 3 would be July 2026 and phase 4 is going to be on November 2026. So talking about the phase 5 is going to be 2027 and this phase 6 is going to be 2028. So pay attention to that as well. So talking about their tokenomics right here, which you can see right here, guys, it's looking very, very interesting. So 40% is going straight to the community incentive, which you can see right here. So to those who to the referral reward, user growth and promotions. And talking about the liquidity aspect, 20% is going to the liquidity aspect. That is for decentralized and centralized listing. 15% is going to the ecosystem development, which you can see right here. The team will be receiving 8%. Foundation will be receiving 8%. Strategic and private will be receiving 5%, while the deflection mechanism will be receiving 4%, which you can see right here. And talking about the total supply so far, we have gotten 6 billion next token in total supply. So these are their core team. These are the people behind this project, and you can as well go check them out on their social media handles. To install the app on your mobile device, you just have to simply tap on this Android version, which is on right here. Next thing you should do is to just tap on this enter system icon. Tap on the enter system icon. It's going to bring you somewhere like this, where you'll be asked to register, which you can see below right here. So if you have already gotten an account with them, you just have to click on those options right here to input your username or your email address which you use for registering, and also your password right here. So in case you haven't registered with them, what you have to do is just simply tap on this register icon below right here. Tap on the register icon. It will bring you where you'll be asked, or if I may say required, to input your username or your email address which you want to use for registering. After that, you type in your password right here. You retype your password, you re-enter your password to be sure of what you're doing. So my invitation code, I'll be leaving it on the screen and also in the description of the video. Use the invitation code to enter where it is required right here, guys. So you enter the invitation code. What you have to do next is to just simply tap on this I agree to user agreement and privacy policy. After you have done all that, after you're filling those information, tap on the register icon. It's going to show you success. After you have registered successfully, it's going to bring you here where you'll be asked, where you'll be told to bind your Google Authenticator. So what you have to do is to just simply tap on this go to bind icon right here to bind your Google Authenticator. Then you just tap on this next icon which you're seeing below right here. This is how the interface look like. Over here you can see that I've been given 10,000 NEX token, which is the native token of the NOVAEX AI exchange, which you can see right here, guys. So let me quickly show you how to make deposit into the exchange. To make deposit, you just have to simply tap on this deposit icon right here, where you can choose any of those cryptos that you want to use for depositing into the exchange. So what you have to do is to just select any of those crypto right here. So we're going with the USDT. I tap on the USDT icon. You can see that I've selected it. Then the next thing is to just tap on this confirm icon, which is right here. You tap on the confirm icon. You select any of the network which you'll be using right here. So in that case, I'll be going with the PEP20 network. That is the BNB Smart Chain network. It is already been selected. So the next thing I should do is to just tap on this confirm icon below right here. It's going to bring me where I will have to copy the deposit address from, head over to any of the exchanges to make my deposit, my USDT deposit from there to this exchange, which you can see right here, guys. So that is how you can actually make deposit into this platform. Click on this me icon below right here. It's going to bring you somewhere like this. Here you get to track your total asset, the profits that you have made so far on this exchange, and also the total NEX token which you have gotten so far on the exchange as well, guys. So you can also click on this invite friends, which are somewhere below right here. Tap on the invite friends icon to share your referral link to your friends and family for them to register, and by the time they register, you'll be opportune to be gifted an extra 10,000 NEX token, guys. If you're looking at to earn extra reward additional to the 10,000 NEX token which was gifted to you earlier, what you have to do is to just simply tap on this discover icon below right here. It's going to bring you somewhere like this, where what you have to do is to just complete any of those tasks, follow the exact instruction given right here, and you'll be opportune to be given an extra 2,000 NEX token. When you have successfully made some deposit into the platform, here is what you need to do next, guys. What you have to do is to just simply tap on this AI trade icon to get started with your trading as soon as possible. To do that, tap on the AI trading platform. It's going to bring you to a place like this where you can come down to read the instruction before you get started with it. So it says AI Smart Trading Engine, return analysis, trade prediction, and auto execution, which you can see right here. So you just have to select any of those options. You just have to select any of those options right here to get started with your trading as soon as possible, guys. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will be showing you how to get started, guys. What you have to do is to select any of those trading engine right here. So I'll be going with the conservative, which you answer right here. I click on the conservative. It's going to bring you to a place like this. So over here, you just have to select any of those options, which are right here. So when you select the USDT, you can see the APY, which you can see right here, BNB, Ethereum, TRX. So you can go with any of those cryptos, which are right here. You can trade any of those cryptos, which you can see right here, which have their different way of earning as well, guys. So let's quickly tap on the USDT real quick. Sorry, I don't intend making this video lengthy. Tap on the USDT. It's going to bring you to a place like this. The next thing to do is to just input the amount which you want to use for trading. Here you get to see the profit which you'll be making, which is 219%. So here you get to track the profit of the USDT which you're going to be receiving, and the rest options which you can see right here. So after you've gone through everything, you just have to tap on this create AI trade icon below right here to start your trading as soon as possible, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Have a lovely day.